Hello everyone, welcome to my English video series. This is my first English video and this is very exciting and funny, and I don't want make a mistake, but I will make a lot of mistake, and I want uh, I want to start this video series because I learn English. I'm learning English. My level is pre-intermediate. A lot of people don't want to speak English with each other, and I decided take video in English about sharp, and um, I believe myself, and this is very exciting for me, and I want this. Okay, uh, what do we do today? Um, Today we make dragging process in C sharp. For example, a box dragging process in C sharp form application. How to make this? I thought how to make this, and I decided uh, add a panel. Okay, I am very happy. Add panels in form. Okay, resize. Okay, and change background color panel. White is good for me. Okay, we draw a box now. Go to code. Okay, now I am creating a class, box class. A public class. Okay, this class includes a rectangle and color. Rectangle, rec, and color. Okay, and add constructor and encapsulation files. Okay, I can use this constructor. Create global box, a box, and create a box, properties. I'm sorry. Yes. New rectangle and color red. Good. Red is good color. And 100, 50 width and height. Okay. This is dragging dragging. What? Okay, I can continue. Evet. Yes. Now we choose method in panel event. We need paint method and mouse down and mouse move and mouse up. Okay. Firstly, mouse move, and we need a bool variable. Name is active for drag process. Firstly, false. It's good for me. And mouse move is drag active true. But mouse if mouse contain box true or false, this style. Okay, this is false. If box and rectangle contain E location. Okay, now true. Okay, and okay, now mouse. Oh, I'm sorry. This is mouse move. Mouse down. I carry this code mouse down because I make mouse down run this code. Okay, if make mouse up is active false. Okay, now mouse move or no painting process. We need a solid brush. Create a solid brush. New solid brush. Box color. Okay, we need a that graphics fill rectangle. And enter brush and rectangle. Solid brush and rectangle box. That rec. Okay. This is successful. And now mouse move. There is mouse move. Okay. Okay. Now write rectangle position change. I make change rectangle position and in code time change rectangle position. Okay, box rec and new rectangle mouse events E that's X and E that's U and box rectangle that width and height. I need to box rectangle fades. Okay, this is good. And now panel 1 paint. Okay, I try run this code. I hope this is successful. Okay, this is mistake. There is mistake. I don't want this. Where's problem? Where's problem? Mu. Huh? Yeah. Okay. There is little problem. If is active for drag, true, and make this code. Okay, good, but have a little problem. Do you look a little problem? Now I can correct, edit this problem because I make mathematical calculate. I need mathematical calculate. Now I can see this problem in paint, and what is the solution I can see the paint in paint. Okay, and new I carry the box. Then I need first I'm sorry, I click here, then I mouse up here. Okay, I need okay, I'm sorry, no, I want I'm sorry. Okay, this is next position. This is preposition, and I will add X position and U position. I can dragging process the box. For example, this line draw here, there. This is equal, and I can write code. I need three variable. Firstly, a point. I need point variable. Point position. I'm sorry, position, and next position. Okay. First click, I equal preposition. It's mouse mu, mouse down. Okay. Mouse mu, mouse mu. Okay. Preposition equal e that location. Okay. Mouse mu okay, and I need a distance. Distance is point. Distance create, okay, and I need next position. Next position equal e at location, and distance new points. Next position, I'm sorry, next position, that's x minus preposition, that's x, and u, okay, and create new box properties box that rectangle, new rectangle box that's rectangle that x plus distance that x and u, and I need rectangle width and height. Okay, and last add preposition equal next position. Okay, this is true for me, and try run. Oh, this is mistake. Point E, okay. Oh, this is successful. This is good. This is very hard for me because English speak is very hard and I am low level in English. But I try make this because I need this, but I don't want need this. I don't know need this. Okay, see you soon.